Why do we dedicate our merit to all sentient beings? How does this dedication help us or our practice? Dedication means actually giving or sharing. So when we do something, something positive, something good, then if I can, from the bottom of my heart, say that whatever good result that may come from this positive deed I do, then it's called dedication. Whatever positive deed I do, I dedicate it to so and so, then that's called dedication. Now here, from the Buddhist point of view, it is regarded as a very good practice to dedicate our positive actions for all sentient beings. And for all sentient beings, not just for a small benefit, for a small purpose, but for the highest and the biggest result. Like I would like whatever little positive deed I did, whether it is a little bit of helping somebody, doing some social work, doing some meditation, even doing a little bit of prayer, whatever I did, that together with all the positive actions that I have done so far, I would like to dedicate it to all the sentient beings so that they will be completely free from all their sufferings, pain, problems forever and attain their highest well-being, which sometimes we call it the complete enlightenment. So if I do this, then this is itself a very compassionate and very very good practice, because I learn to give, I learn to dedicate, I learn to distribute all my positive actions as well and their results, and then towards all sentient beings. That means it's a great kind of compassion. The two things: one is compassion, and second is my not clinging or selfishness or self-centeredness. Now this, if I do, and if I do in a very good way, in a positive, really kind of genuine way, eventually it is believed that whatever I dedicate for, whatever I wish, that will be accomplished. Because if I do something really positive and then make a prayer or make an intention or dedication for that, that will happen in a positive way because of the power of my good karma. So therefore, making dedication and dedication all our merits to all sentient beings, the more, if I dedicate to more people, the stronger that positive karma becomes. the strength of my positive action or merit becomes stronger. So therefore, if I dedicate it to all sentient beings, that means it becomes, even if actually I did quite a small positive action, wholesome action, but because of the power of my dedication, the big dedication, inspired by my great compassion towards everybody, that positive action becomes a very strong positive action, very strong positive karma. So therefore, that will result in actually ripening or actually happening for which I have dedicated. So therefore, it would have some effect. When that effect will happen, it is difficult to say. It depends on many causes and conditions, but that's the idea. That's why dedicating for all sentient beings is regarded both very good for ourselves, our own positive practice, and also for all the people for whom we have dedicated.